let's go to the monthly DeMark work on Ethereum. This month for April, as you can see, is a super ugly, 13 top. Okay, it's not a perfect 13 top, but it is a 13 top, right? So this month, that rally that we saw, that FOMO, when I looked at the monthly charts, I'm like, oh my God. The failed rally, right? Which I got caught in. The failed rally. Bitcoin is Ethereum on a monthly chart using two different type of DeMark indicators. One of them is called sequential. That makes 9s and 13s. And then there's another one that's a little different called combo. So if you put both indicators up at once, you can basically see that every big top in Ethereum pretty much started with a 13 top. So we were going to do this last night at 10 p.m., but I didn't want the American audience to miss it. So we're doing it now. So if you think Ethereum down 5% is down a lot, that may not be true, especially if equities are going to blow up. This is really less about crypto and what rising rates are going to do to stocks. Okay. Now, let's talk crypto. Let's talk Gan Cycles. 2016 to 2020 was a 44-month Gan cycle. How did things work during that period? Well, Ethereum spiked up to 1,400 right around the middle of the cycle, then it collapsed, right? It bottomed about 30 months into the cycle and then eventually turned higher at the end of the cycle. In this particular case, if that repeats itself, 30 months into the new cycle, you would expect a bottom in August of 2020. In August of 2022. So that allows for sell in May and go away. It allows for Putin to mail us a present for July 4th and anything else that's going to happen. So from April to August, you have to manage risk. You have to have a hedge if you want to hold, right? If you want to hodl, you got to hedge, not investment advice. Okay. The next monster rally is probably October 2023. Now, expanding range, going to a tactical view of Ethereum. Okay. A tactical view on Ethereum shows Ethereum breaking out of an expanding range. When Ethereum breaks out of when anything breaks out of an expanding range like this, okay, it usually creates a violent breakdown. So you could be looking at $600 of downside in Ethereum if Ethereum is below, say, 3,100. Okay, let's look at levels in Ethereum. This comes from a Token Metrics quantitative group where they're doing automated levels like what we have in DeMark. So we have 3,180, 2,978, and 2,644. Take a moment, take a picture of that with your phone. Okay, Brian Robinson said October 2023. I hope I'm alive then. Okay, all right, I do too. I feel the same way. Remember, the bottom, though, is in October. The next monster rally is in 2023. So bargain hunting. Crypto Athena says, do we get out of Bitcoin now? Okay, all right. I mentioned 41,600 is the level to get out. And yes, look, folks, if you need to stop out, I said this Thursday with Solana, and I actually wound up being right. I mean, I was wrong on the trade and right on the stop, right? Absolute don't hold positions that you're not comfortable with. Okay. So these levels are levels that you can use as support to try to figure out where stop should be. Now let's go to
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.